Happy New Year, everyone. If you are new here, my name is Mishana. I am a natural hair content creator on my YouTube channel. I usually show hair content such as product reviews, using the products, how to use them, and so on. So if you have been with me for a while now, you know that I get a lot of curl boxes. So last year I got quite a number of boxes. So I got about 6 boxes so far that I haven't even used. So the first box we are going to unbox will be May 2022, and that is the Main Choice H2O Hydration Therapy Collection. This is the box. Okay, a little backstory. I moved 2 months ago, so all my hair products, my boxes, they are a bit crushed. There was a little spillage with some, so please don't judge CurlBox or this one. Alright, so you can even see there's a little makeup on this one. Alright, so let's open this one. So in each box there is a pamphlet included. It tells you what you will be getting. Let's dig into the box. Okay, it's a little bit torn. Alright, so this is the Hydration Therapy Intense Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. And this is a deep cleansing shampoo. This is the scalp toning water. I'm not sure what those are, but yeah. And then we have the hydration therapy mineral rich hydration spray. And this is the soothing scalp oil, the deep conditioner. So this is the deep conditioning mask. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is the deep cleansing shampoo. So let's see what it says. It says that it is formulated by blending red and brown seaweed, algae, and kelp, known for their detoxifying properties and high mineral content, with sarcosi. What am I saying? I don't even know how to pronounce this word, but yeah, it says it should help to improve the appearance of your hair and your scalp. So this is the deep conditioner. Okay, and it says that it has a moisturizing formula which makes detangling easier, improves manageability, and infuses hair and scalp with intense hydration to help reduce breakage. So if you know you have dry hair, damaged hair, there's not much moisture going on, then definitely try this out, and you will know why I say that. Okay. Then after you deep condition, it is time for your leave-in. So this leave-in, it's also it has moisturizing formula as well. So, and it also helps to improve manageability of your hair, and it also increases shine. If you are using this shampoo, the deep conditioner, and then you follow up with the leave-in, I can tell you your hair will be so soft, silky, and shiny after washing. The next one is the soothing scalp oil. This one is actually infused with biotin and a few vitamins with C minerals. It's a very lightweight oil. I love lightweight oil, which means, you know, when you oil your scalp or if you put some in your hair, it's not gonna weigh your hair down, and you can even use it 2 to 3 times a week. No problems there. And also what I like about it too, lightweight oils, is that it doesn't leave a mess. I don't know about you, but when I use lightweight oil, it doesn't leave a mess on my clothes or pillows. All right, so this is definitely something you can use for a healthy scalp. Okay, so it helps to hydrate dry scalp, and it nourishes as well, and it gives you a little comfort. So yeah, so that's why it's called soothing scalp oil. The scalp toning water, I've never used something like this before, so this one is new to me. The direction says, after wetting hair, apply directly to the scalp and massage thoroughly, working product through the mid-length and end of the hair. Rinse thoroughly. It is actually like a gentle scalp toner, providing an added boost for a clean, well-maintained scalp. Okay, if you get a lot of excess oil or product buildup on your scalp, then they're saying that you can actually use this and it will help to minimize and keep your scalp clean. Okay, so this is definitely something you need. The mineral rich hydration spray, I think maybe this is like a refresher. Let me see. Okay, you spray evenly on dry hair or previously styled hair to restore moisture and curls. It's basically like a refresher. So say for instance, maybe tomorrow I want to keep the same hair, I can just spray this on my hair, and then I use my fingers to distribute and reshape my curls. And wow, okay, I'm definitely going to try this out. It seems promising, so I'm definitely going to try this out. So that is what my box included. Got 6 full-size products, and in total I paid $30, which includes shipping. If you're ever wondering about CurlBox or even Main Choice, definitely check those out. And what I'll be doing in a few days, or maybe next week, just keep an eye out on my channel. I'll be posting how I used these products in my hair, and I can bet you will want to get these. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to share. Until next time.